Hi guys, welcome back to my video. I'm back after so long time. And today we are going to discuss about how are you going to overcome your problems. Now let's first understand problems are for everyone. You are not someone new that you have a problem. Everyone in this world is going to have problem. If you're a rich, if you're a poor, if you're a middle class, girl, boy, anyone, you are going to have problem in your life. Okay, if you're coming from somewhere where people are telling you that you are not supposed to have problem in your life, then trust me, you are doing your life wrong. You are supposed to have problem in your life, because when you have problems, that's the way you get your happiness. Now, very first step of how are you going to overcome your problem: find a solution to your problem. I may sound stupid to you, but that's how it works. That's the only answer. And let's understand this with the step. So how do you actually solve your problem? Step number one is identify your problem. Now your problem could be anything. It could be a medical problem, it could be a financial problem, it could be a relationship problem, or it could be an academic problem. The very first step you need to do is identify your problem. For an example, if I'm a student, I have stress about my academics, so that's my problem. So I see it as a problem. I see that okay, this is the subjects I'm not scoring good, so that is my problem, my actual problem. Step number two is to list down your resource which you can use to get out of the problem. As I said, if I'm scoring bad in any particular subject, consider that it's a math subject. If I'm scoring bad marks in maths, what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna look for the tutor. Is there any person that's gonna help me learn the maths? That person is my resource. If I have an internet, so with the help of internet, I'm going to identify the easy ways of learning. That particular internet is my resource. So just first list down your resource which you are going to use to get out of that problem. Step number three, plan to solve. Don't just think of all this thing, you need to put this thing actually in action. So before you do an action, you need to make a plan that how am I going to start all of this. If the problem is this, what's the first step that I can do? Just plan accordingly. You also have your resource, so you just bring them all together. You see what's the plan that you can make to get yourself out from that problem, and likewise you make a plan. Step number four, execute it. Now you cannot just sit at one place and hope for your problem to solve all by itself. You need to take some steps in order to solve that problem. Okay, so what do, you go, you go there, you execute the plan that you made up in your mind, that if this is the problem, what are the steps I'm taking to get out of that problem. See the problem, now you have proper plan, so now you execute your steps. So you start working towards the problem, and you are in a process, you are working the process. And when you're actually working in the process, you at least have that satisfaction that okay, I am doing something regarding that problem, so you don't think much about it. Step number five, let the process work for you. Now once you are in the process, you know what to do, your process know what to do. It's actually in a working, you are actually in a flow state where things are getting right. Now you have identified that how I'm being able to solve the problem. Once you see yourself actually working towards that problem, you're going to forget about the problem. You're just going to hope best for the end result, and that's you're actually working on. This is one of the way that how you can get out of your problems. And trust me, I have always used this. A lot of time what I do is, I feel most of the time, when I don't feel like doing something, I feel like I'm lacking back in my life. What I do, I identify my problem. What exactly is my problem? Now many of the time it happens that people don't even know what exactly is their problem, what are they stressed about. You don't know what you're really stressed about. Take time. One thing that can help you to identify your problem is journaling. If you are journaling your daily thoughts, what are the things are going into your life daily, on the daily basis, you get to identify a pattern, and that pattern is your problem. So once you get that pattern, that's your problem, and once you have your problem, you know what to do next. So yeah, I think that's it for this video, and maybe I'll be coming up with such more informative video. So yeah, that's it for today's video, and I guess I'll be coming more with such informative videos for you. If you're someone who really wants to grow as a person and want to help me to grow as a person, so you guys can watch my video and let me know what I can change in the videos. And yeah, thanks for watching this, hope it helped you. Thank you.